Hi everyone, let's do some practice on a question sentences or interrogative sentences. Question sentences and interrogative sentences both are same. Question sentences वर्तमान sometime give or sometime वर्तमान interrogative sentences whom interrogative sentences where key is the interrogative sentences have a sentence become the question key. An interrogative sentence asks a question and it in always end with a question mark. The in chikam de the in hamzara hमेशा para pa question mark. Saida pari ki man question ko or the in chikam de that is ma sentence so the interrogative sentence is in hमेशा para for question mark. Formula is among present simple tense को present simple tense के interrogative sentence को sentences को the formula the start के among do या does the so via subject via base form via object yes question mark लगो for end की was do मुंपकम situation की लगाओ does मुंपकम situation की लगाओ no do मुंपागा situation की लगाओ कम चीज़ कला चीज़ मुंसरा subject I, we, you, they are plural noun da غینه مخکې مطلب د sentence start کې بیا موجوده کو بیا subject بیا base form of verb بیا object بیا په end کې چې کوم دی question mark لګو اوس داسې قسمه sentences کوم کې چې زموږ سره subject he she it یا singular noun بیا د sentence start کې مونږه لګو او بیا subject بیا verb بیا object بیا په end کې question mark لرو په دې باندې سم پریکټس کوو do I write do I read do I speak do I listen خو یاد ساتئ دلته ما صرف کامه دې لپاره کړي چې دا ټول verb ما انډس کړي دي تاسو بیا چې کله جوړوئ داسې قسمه سنټنس نو تاسو به دلته question mark کوئ clear question mark دا ما وکړو د ټولو نه به داسې هر یو نه بعد به تاسو question mark کوئ نو do I write do we write do you write do they write do Ali and Aslam write sign up interrogation دا زمونږ سره helping verb بیا subject بیا زمونږ سره verb شو خو زمونږ سره object نو بیا به question mark د object نه بعد لګوئ do I write a letter نو بیا به object بیا به question mark تاسو دلته لګوئ clear دا ستاسو د پوهې کېدلو لپاره په دې باندې اوس صرف لږ پریکټس کوو چې موږ به 3000 sentences څنګه په question sentences جوړو یا interrogative sentences به موږ څنګه جوړو نو په دې باندې پریکټس د انګلیش د زده کېدلو لپاره او د فرانسوي لپاره زموږ ته د پریکټس ضرورت دی نو پریکټس تاسو بار بار کوئ یو structure per day per structure په دې باندې پریکټس کوئ okay do I write do I read do I speak do I listen do I play do I go do I dance do I walk do I wash do I study do I drive do I work do I cook do I make do I buy do I eat do I learn do I teach do I clean do I run do I see do I visit do I answer do I climb داسې پریکټس کوئ اوس سره په دې کې تاسو یو object هم څه کوئ add کړئ do we write a letter do we write an essay do we write a paper do we write an article do we write a speech do we write an application دا تاسو بیا په دې باندې پریکټس وکړئ اوس راځو د does ته چې does کوم سچویشن کې به موږ does لګو نو does سچویشن دا دی چې کله زموږ سره subject he she it یا singular نه وي نو د هغې سنټنس په سټارټ کې به موږ does لګو په اخره کې به موږ څه کوو question mark لګو او زموږ سره verb وي نو بیا به د verb نه بعد چې object ورسره نه بیا به د verb نه بعد question mark لګو object ورسره وي نو بیا به د object نه بعد question mark لګو اوس همیشه لپاره په داسې سنټنس کې همیشه لپاره بیس فارم اف verb دی ځکه چې کوم وخت کې موږ اس یا ای اس فارم لګو هغه موږ صرف په پازیټیو سنټنسز کې لګو نور سنټنسو کې همیشه لپاره The positive sentences na alawa. Panuro tulo sentences ki mang dia sa ko pa present simple tense khabara kum pagi ko agabe negative ko interrogative ko interrogative budi ko information question na ke bang base pama wara blago. Okay. Was does he write they sign up interrogation ya question mark. Does or does she write? Okay, yeah, does Ali write? Does Danish write? Yeah, does he read? Does he speak? Does he listen? Does he play? Does he go? Does he dance? Does he walk? Does he wash? Does he study? Does he drive? Does he work? Does he cook? Does he make? Does he buy? Does he eat? Does he learn? Does he teach? Does he learn? Clean, sorry. Does he run? Does he see? Does he visit? Does he answer? Does he climb? Does he weep? Does he laugh? Does he love? Does he cry? Does he sing? Does he smell? Does he want? Was object at kawai? No. Does matlab shi mane pariktaskum. Does she write a letter? Does she write an essay? Does she write a paper? Does she write an article? Okay, but listen mane ho gaya play, go, dance, walk, wash. Okay, padi mane be tasu object in kawai matlab read mane tasu 10 object that is rachin matlab speak mane matlab speak Urdu, Pushto, Angrezi, whatever matlab इनकम वगैरह हर ज़बान तो speak कोई आगे डलता है कोई PUBG be play and play football cricket tennis whatever goes dance walk wash सब wash के अगर नुमागला study कम book study के psychology sociology maths philosophy paper kama study के सही है cook सब पाके make buy eat learn दा पदी माने बेटा सु negative and try it sentences okay okay was your simple rules is that manga negative sentences are more or positive sentences are more was the among interrogative go for interrogative but deep in the bata subia positive but negative papa interrogative three one ba plus some go pick away no awal basuri awal bas simple positive sentence I write. No, I don't write. Do I write? That's your practice. We write. We don't write. Do we write? Deva Padreman. Positive, negative, negative, and negative. Padre Onova practice. Uh, does she cook? matlab, he cook. He does not cook. Does he cook? Okay. She make. She doesn't make. Does she make? Yeah, that's it. Uh, Delta yo noun will come at delta zero noun come Ali. Ali Ali read a letter. Ali does not read a letter. Ali reads a letter. Ali does not read a letter. Does Ali read a letter? In kibe question mark. Keep in mind and practice on these verb and on these object. Okay, do more practice, get fluency in English. Thanks.